Hello, Form 4 Biology. Okay, I am CS Tan. But CS Tan wearing the spec again. You 戴眼镜，戴眼镜过瘾，做 YouTuber。But 戴眼镜有一种感觉，有安全感，没有人认得我是谁。像我们这种正经的老师，斯文的，对不对？不可以乱戴眼镜的，久久戴一次，又不可以给人家认出我们做 YouTube 了。OK。该拍谁呢？所以戴眼镜也有好处了，又会出名，对不对？希望会越来越出名了。OK， so continue our title number 2， 我们继续我们的第二个 title。The same title，same title。The properties of water and the importance of water in a cells， 水的特征和它对细胞的重要性。OK， 眼睛看不到，拿下来先。Hi， 什么时候可以见面？不知道。Okay, so the first properties of water, we talk about what? The first properties 那个叫做 polarity of water 水的极性 and the second properties of water, specific heat capacity of water 水的特定热容量。What is this? You're going to study these words or terms in your physics 物理 specific heat capacity of water 特定的热容量。So today I'm not your physics teacher and actually I don't know how to teach 我也不会教。So what's mean by specific heat capacity of water? 什么东西来的呢 ？Okay. So the specific heat capacity of water is 4,200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius。or 4.2 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Celsius， 什么意思呢？不知道。Highlight first。好了没有 ？Okay，what's the meaning？ 什么意思呢？那 the meaning is here. This means that 4,200 joule of heat energy is needed.to rise the temperature of 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius. If you want to make 1 kilogram of water, that means 1 liter of water. 大部位的水罐最流行、最好卖的那个水罐1 liter. So if you want to rise the water 1 liter or 1 kilogram of water by 1 degree Celsius, 如果你要让1 kg 的水、1 liter 的水增加温度1度 ，you need 4,200 joule. 你需要4200 joule 的热能。But 4,200 joule actually is high energy. 这股能量其实很高，你知道吗？ So we need a lot of energy to rise the water temperature for 1 degree Celsius. Or what we can apply here 可以用在我们的细胞的哪里呢？不知道，对不对 ？Okay.So water has a high specific heat capacity. 水的特定热能容量呢非常的高。So water can absorb a lot of heat energy with a small increase of temperature. So water can keep a lot of energy. 水可以收藏很多的热能。But when the water keep a lot of heat energy, it just causes the increase of temperature, small increase in water temperature. 它能量收多的时候，它的温度才上升少罢了。Okay, or what we can apply in our body， 怎样用在我们的身体里面呢 ？Okay, so this properties is important in maintaining the body temperature of the organism. So our body having a lot of water， 我们的身体里面有一大堆的水 ，and all the water they keep a lot of heat energy. They keep a lot of heat energy, but even they keep a lot of heat energy, our water temperature not become very high. 我们的体温不会变得太高。And because of a lot of heat energy， 因为它的能量收藏很多，we can maintain our body temperature。我们可以长期的保持我们的体温在37度，给我们继续的生存下去。OK， 原来水这样重要，它收藏的能量很多，温度又不会增加太多，造成我们的体温刚刚好。Understand? So this is the second properties of water, specific heat capacity of water, 4,200 joule per kilogram per degree Celsius， 造成它适合变成我们身体里面的液体。Okay.And now the third properties of water， 水的第三个特征 cohesive force and adhesive force of water. What is mean by cohesive or adhesive force of water？ 什么来的呢 ？Okay, water molecules stick to one another through cohesive force. Cohesive 就是粘的意思，粘力。 Water molecule like to stick together through the cohesive force. But where does the force come from? Actually, it comes from the first properties just now. 它来自刚才的第一个特征 ，polarity of water。那个 hydrogen bond 把水呢喜欢粘在一起，造成水喜欢粘在一起。At the same time, water molecules stick to one another's surface, stick to other surface through adhesive force. But what's the difference between these two? 这两个 force 呢，到底有什么差别不一样呢 ？Cohesive, adhesive 有什么不一样呢 ？Okay, look at the diagram on your page number 11. 第11面下面的图片右手边。Okay, 来 ，cohesion. What does it mean by cohesion? The force that hold the water molecule together， 它就是一种拉力，把水的分子拉在一起。谁来的呢？Actually mean hydrogen bond in chemistry 啦，在 chemistry 它就叫 hydrogen bond. So where's a cohesion？ 水和水被拉在一起，这股力量呢叫 cohesion. Okay, page number 11呢。Number 2, adhesions. 什么叫 adhesions？Water molecules stick to certain surface. 水的分子呢粘在某某的表面上。Water molecule stick to certain surface. 它喜欢粘在别的表面上。OK， 那 where's adhesion? Adhesion 躲在哪里呢 ？Water molecule stick on other surface. 水的分子粘在别的表面上叫 adhesion。Okay, look at another diagrams. Left hand side 11面的下面左手边呢。Okay，water molecule stick together or hold together, we call cohesions. 水和水的分子粘在一起就叫 cohesion. Water molecule stick to other surface, 它粘在别的表面上，这种叫 adhesion. Adhesion, page number 11, 第11面。Why page number 43 here? 我拿别的地方的东西 paste 过来的。Okay?But how the adhesion and cohesion properties of the water help in our body 帮我们的身体呢？帮助生物的细胞做某某东西呢 ？Okay, so simple. You look at the plants. So the tree here actually is very tall, maybe 30 meter. The height is 30 meter. 它的高度呢30 meter. So sometimes I stand beside in front of my house. 我站在我的家前面 I look at the tree. 我看着这一棵树。How the water transported from the road and go to the leaf？ 水到底每天怎样被根吸上去 ？And now release from the leaf， 然后用叶子呢，用 transpiration 的方法呢被放出去。So how can the water move up？ 水到底怎样流上去的呢 ？Okay？Or is there any water pump？ 它有没有装一些 pump， 然后开电把 water pump up？And now release from the leaf， 把水呢放进去呢。So I think again and again， 我想了很久很久，水到底怎样爬上去的呢 ？At the same time, still remember we having a very strong gravitational force。我们有一种东西呢，就叫地心引力。It attract everything underground， 它把所有的东西呢都拉下去。So how can the water molecule overcome the gravitational force？ 它将超越这股地心引力，然后慢慢的爬上去的呢 ？OK， 就是我们现在要教你的啦。水有什么特征帮助它做这种事情呢 ？OK。So every day, plant having the process called transpiration, 蒸腾。Another meaning, water lost the water vapor through the surface of the leaf through stoma. 水用气孔呢把它的水分呢蒸发掉，这个过程就叫 transpiration。But during the transpiration, it getting a pulling force.Transpiration 蒸腾发生的时候啊，它造成了一股拉力，这股拉力呢就叫 transpirational force。Okay，transpirational force，transpiration 造成的拉力，为什么呢 ？Okay，you look at the water molecule. So when the leaf surface lost one of the water molecule， 当叶子的表面呢把一粒水的分子呢丢出来 ，water molecule they stick.To one another， 它们喜欢粘在一起。So when one water molecule lost, you're going to pulling another water molecule， 它就会拉另外一粒的水的分子。Why? Because of the cohesions. So 一粒被丢出去，它就拉这一粒，这一粒呢就跑来前面，这一粒呢就拉这一粒跑过来，这一粒拉这一粒，一粒拉一粒，一粒拉一粒，这种叫 cohesion， 对不对 ？So 水在上面被丢出去，水的分子一粒拉一粒。 一粒拉一粒，一粒拉一粒，越跑越高。But at the same time, water having another force called adhesion， 它还有另外一种力量呢，拉力呢叫 adhesion， 水的分子被人家拉上去，再拉上去。But at the same time， 水的分子呢喜欢粘墙壁，它粘着墙壁。你拉我上去，我自己拉墙壁，对吧？你拉我上去，我又自己拉墙壁，粘墙壁。OK， 一粒拉一粒，然后每一粒都拉着墙壁 ，slowly 啦，慢慢的。Because of the cohesion and the adhesion， 因为这边的 cohesion 和这边的 adhesion，finally the water molecule all join together， 全部连在一起 ，and become the continuous fluid， 变成一条没有解开、没有分开的流体。Okay，and they making the action， 它造成了一种现象叫 capillary action。什么叫 capillary action？ Water molecule join together， they become the continuous fluid， 它变成一条没有解开、一直粘着的流体。从下面慢慢的流上去了，这种作用就叫 capillary action. So now look at our notes. Cohesion and adhesion of the water. Okay, so both these forces result in capillary action. 这两股拉力cohesion, adhesion, they cause the capillary action. 它造成了毛细作用。为什么叫毛细作用呢？ I don't know， 字典写毛细作用，我就跟着你这样写了，毛细作用。Capillary action. So what is mean by capillary action? Water molecule join together， 水的分子粘在一起。有什么重要性呢？ Yeah, allow the water move through the long and narrow columns of the xylem tissue， 让水呢经过那个又长又窄的那个管道，那个管道叫 xylem tissue。什么叫 xylem tissue？ The vascular tissue of the plants。OK， 植物的 vascular tissue。植物的血脉组织啦，它的血管来的。OK， you learn this in Form 3， 你在 Form 3曾经读过的 xylem tissue， 输送水的组织。Okay, so these are the properties of water and the importance of water in our cells. Okay, so transpirational pull 造成的 capillary action， 造成水一直被吸上去，一直在流动。Okay, so this is transpirational pull and capillary actions. Okay, finish the title called water. Our next title or next video will be carbohydrate. Or another contents inside our living cell， 细胞里面的另外一种成分，碳水化合物。OK， 拜拜。